In today's fast-paced manufacturing environment, efficient documentation and clear communication of design intent are more critical than ever. Design Center's Solid Edge introduces powerful enhancements to drafting and model-based definition that transform how you create, manage, and share engineering documentation. First, our AI-powered automatic drawing generation revolutionizes 2D documentation. It automatically produces drawings that are 70 to 80% complete with intelligent view placement, dimensioning, and template selection. Orthogonal, broken, and isometric views are handled while staying aligned with your drafting standards. You are also able to customize your drawings before finalizing them, allowing you to maintain full control while cutting manual work and errors significantly. We've also added major upgrades for documentation clarity and management. In this example, we'll make changes to this part using synchronous technology. While doing so, the new revision table automatically tracks and manages drawing changes in a clear tabular form, ensuring manufacturers always work with the latest versions. It integrates seamlessly with advanced documentation tools to streamline setup and minimize rework. You can also add custom, user-defined symbols in both 3D PMI and drafting to standardize communication across teams and guarantee company standards. Enhanced whole tables retrieve fit class and tolerance information automatically, speeding up the documentation of critical specifications and ensuring they are all in one place. Visual communication improves with assembly decals visible in shaded drawing views, boosting shop floor clarity and reducing inspection errors. The new mid-plane reference plane feature simplifies complex geometry documentation with single-click creation, ensuring everyone from design to manufacturing sees exactly what they need. With expanded MBD capabilities, you can export views with multiple sections into 3D PDFs for parts, sheet metal, and assemblies. This makes communicating internal design details easier with downstream teams and external partners. The enhanced 3D PDFs also support JT and STEP formats, ensuring seamless collaboration across your supply chain. Design Center Solid Edge delivers real performance gains, streamlining documentation while upholding the highest standards of clarity and accuracy. Whether on desktop or in digital formats, you now have the tools to communicate design intent more effectively than ever before.